हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं इलस्ट्रेशन 50 सीएमए इंटरमीडिएट ग्रुप 1 सर्विस कॉस्टिंग का। यह क्वेश्चंस है, आपको टन किलोमीटर के बेसिस पे हमें क्वेश्चंस स्टार्ट करनी है। ओके, इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 50, प्लीज सी हियर। नाउ यूनियन ट्रांसपोर्ट कंपनी सप्लाइज द फॉलोइंग डिटेल्स इन रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ द ट्रक 5 टन किलोमीटर कैपेसिटी। 5 टन 5 टन कैपेसिटीज है। कॉस्ट ऑफ ट्रक 90, estimated life 10, डीजल ऑयल ग्रीस रुपीज 15, रिपेयर एंड मेंटेनेंस पर मंथ आपको 500, ड्राइवर्स वेजेज रुपीज 500, क्लीनर्स वेजेज रुपीज 250 पर मंथ, इंश्योरेंस पर ईयर, इन टैक्सेज पर ईयर, general supervisor 4800 per year. This you have to change in month. So 4800 per year divided by 12, this is rupees 400. Okay, this is rupees 400. Similarly, in this case 2400 divided by 12, this is the 200. This is the 4800 divided by 12, that equal to 400. This is the monthly. Now the truck carries a goods from the city covering 50 kilometer distance each way. An outward trip freight is available to the extent of full capacity. Outward, in the outward मैंने जब जाता है तो पूरी कैपेसिटी के साथ जाता है, but returns 20% capacity. Assume that the average 25 days works. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले आपको टन किलोमीटर निकालना पड़ेगा। तो वर्किंग नोट फर्स्ट, कैलकुलेशन ऑफ टन किलोमीटर। तो टन किलोमीटर हाउ विल कैलकुलेट? लुक एट 5 tons run 50 distance in upward going plus 5 tons in 50 kilometer backward, but in this case only 20% capacity is loaded. This is the 250 plus 50, 300 ton kilometer per day. टन किलोमीटर इन 1 मंथ कितना होगा? टन किलोमीटर इन 1 मंथ, 1 मंथ इन 1 मंथ 25 days runs. तो 300 per day, 25 days runs, that equal to 6 टन किलोमीटर. ओके, दिस। अब आपको निकालना पड़ेगा पेट्रोल का खर्च का क्या इंफॉर्मेशन दिया हुआ है। डीजल ऑयल ग्रीस रुपीज 15 पर ट्रिप ईच डे. डीजल ऑयल ग्रीस, दिस is rupees 15 per day, so this is a 25. You will have to multiply by 25 because of it is given in each day. तो 15 into 25, that equal to 375. डीजल ऑयल expenditure is 375. Other informations are very easy. Operating cost ton kilometer, rate of ton per trip that each company should charges if the profit is a 50%. What should be the charge क्या होना चाहिए, और कॉस्ट टन किलोमीटर में कितना होना चाहिए वो निकालना है। बाकी सारे इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत आसान है। अब आपको यहाँ पे डीजल की कॉस्ट आपका कितनी है? 15, डीजल कॉस्ट दिस 15 into 25, rupees 15 per trip each way, that's why, but in going and coming this is also multiplied by 2. into 750. Each way, one way it is going, that equal to 15, one coming, that equal to 15. That's why you multiply by 2. अब हमारे पास कॉस्ट निकालना है. Calculation of cost during the month. During the months. What is the cost during the month? We have to calculate. Okay, look at it. Cost of truck, estimated life, diesel, repair and maintenance, driver's wages. Driver's wages. What is written there? 150 rupees 500. Rupees 500. Next, cleaner's wages 250. Cleaner's wages 250. Insurance insurance 4800 divided by 12 400. 4800 divided by 12 400. Tax 2400 divided by 12 200. General supervision charges general supervision charges 4800 divided by 12, this is a 400. Okay, these cost I have already written. Now cost of truck, depreciation 90,000 cost of truck, 0 scrap value 9. 10 years, this is a divided by 10, but this is the for 1 year, but divided by 12, this is for 1 month. 750. Oil 15 to 25, this is also 750. Oil. Repair and maintenance, repair and maintenance, repair and maintenance, this is repair maintenance 500. 500. ये हो गया. हमने we have taken already this, we have taken this driver wages, cleaner, insurance, taxes, this. The truck run this 50 kilometers, full capacity 25 days, this completed. Okay, now write the cost total. $500. $2,000 plus $1,000 plus $750. 3750. Total cost is 3750. Okay, 3750 cost. Okay, cost per passenger, cost what is the questions of cost? Operating cost ton kilometer, operating cost ton kilometer, cost per ton kilometer, 3750, that is this 7500. 0.50 ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट पर टन किलोमीटर, ऐसे ये निकल जाएगा ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट पर टन किलोमीटर। नाउ कॉस्ट per ton kilometer, this is second part answer, this is the answer of first part, 0.50 profit or fare, what is the fare per ton kilometer, per ton. Now look at it, in this case suppose fare is x, now the profit is taking 0.50x, cost is this, then profit is this. Now suppose fare x, now profit in question it is a 50% of x, that equal to 0.50x. So x equal to 0.50 x plus 0.50. This is a 0.50 x, that equal to 0.50. X equal to 0.50 divided by 0.50, that equal to 1. So in this case, fare per ton, that equal to 1. Profit, this is 0.50. So this is a fare per ton kilometer. This. The question is what? In the first, operating cost ton kilometer, operating cost per ton kilometer, this is 0.50. Rate of tons per trip. The company should charge either for profit 50% of for this 50%. The rate per trip, that equal to rupees 1 per ton. This is the rate. Okay, thank you class, we have completed illustration number 50. Okay, thank you class.